Hey everybody, this is Peter from Guitar Travels, and in this very quick vlog I'm gonna show you how to get from Aleko in Vitosha mountain to Hotel Moreni, which is very important landmark because right there is the first stop of the bus line 66 that goes down to Sofia city. So I'm expecting very quick vlog because it's even terrain, just 2 kilometers of a distance. No much of talk needed here. Let's just do it. Let's go. So this is the upper station of the cabin lift that goes up from the neighborhood of Simeonovo up to here. It does function, so that's important landmark. And here to the left, this is the crossroad where the path towards Cherni, vrah, one of the paths, start. Well, this was very quick. So this is Hotel Moreni, and this is the first stop or the final stop of the bus line 66 that goes down to Sofia. Now from Aleko, it has been only 750 meters of a distance, and I did it for 8 minutes and a half. No wonder, because I've climbed only 7 vertical meters and down climbed 40. Now I'm gonna wait for the bus and go back to Sofia. Peter from Guitar Travels, I'll see you later.